Imagine doubling your marketing efficiency overnight. And that's not just a dream, it is a reality with today's AI tools. The best AI marketing tools should feel like a cheat, like you're actually cloning yourself into a whole marketing team. And we've got 7 AI tools that will absolutely slash the time you have to put into marketing your business, and you can use them right now. Hi there, it's Ginger Bell with EduMarketing and AI Mastery Center, and in this video, we're revealing 7 AI marketing tools that are set to revolutionize your approach. Get ready to transform your business. And let's start with tool number 1, Get Munch, the video repurposer. Get Munch is your ultimate video marketing ally. This AI-powered tool is a marvel for content creators. Whether you are doing long-form videos that you want to cut into shorter videos, or you want to take your podcast and create short videos to share on your social media and with your guests, you know, those lengthy videos that you wish could reach more audiences, well, Get Munch takes them and converts them into snappy, engaging content, ideal for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. But it's not just about cutting videos into smaller parts. It's intelligent clips that are selections and features, and they use AI to ensure that the most engaging moments of your videos are highlighted. That means more impact, more engagement, and more visibility for your brand. And AI captions saves you tons of time with the manual editing and typing, and it even handles publishing it to social media for you. So you're not doing everything manually. If you do any kind of long form videos, you need to use this tool. Now, I know that not everyone is creating videos for social media or for YouTube, but what if you use videos in a different way? Say, sending private client-facing videos to help you make sales and close over emails, which brings us to tool number 2, Behuman, which is a personalized video creator. Imagine having a digital twin that handles your business communication. You record a video once and Behuman customizes it for each of your clients. It's perfect for service-based businesses. Say goodbye to repetitive, time-consuming video messages. With Behuman, each of your clients receive a personalized video, making them feel valued and special. This tool brings a personal touch to digital communication that we've never seen before. If you have Behuman, you can let AI take over the process. So you can record yourself just one time and then have it create all kinds of fresh videos with your face and your voice. That's by far one of the most things that's going to set you apart. And honestly, it's kind of a little freaky, to tell you the truth. Up next, tool number 3, which is Brandmark. This is an AI-driven logo design tool. And one of the most common issues that we see with small business owners is a lackluster brand. And that usually begins with what? The logo. But designing a logo can be a challenge. You know, I know you can go to Fiverr or you can design one for yourself in Canva, but it's not easy. Logo design can be a challenging task and it can be expensive, but Brandmark simplifies it. This tool is a boom for businesses needing a fresh logo or a brand revamp. You input your business details and Brandmark uses AI to create unique, professional looking logos. It is about creativity with AI, and this one is one of those that is a big standout. Up next, tool number 4, Ad Creative AI. This is your ad creation assistant. So it's time for us to rethink ad creation. And this tool is like having a creative genius at your fingertips. You provide your ad requirements and it churns out high quality, optimized, and creatives for all platforms like Facebook and Instagram. This means no more guesswork or endless brainstorming sessions. Ad Creative AI is about smart, efficient, and impactful advertising. Ad Creative AI automatically pulls in all of your previous ad data, if you have any, and then you'll learn which creatives are scoring the best and which images need a little bit of a repact. So you get a dashboard and it outlines everything. So there's no guesswork. They give you, it's just like having an ad agency in a box. And you're halfway there if you're doing advertising. And so having this allows you to tweak things a little bit, see how they're scoring, look at those images for your ads. And that's important because advertisers say that video ads drive way more clicks and conversions, making them much more profitable. The problem is video ads are usually way more time consuming, not to mention just harder to pull off with the scripting. Well, the clip editing part, again, you'll have this and you'll have access to it in the dashboard, but you will be able to have the information in there to be able to create the videos you want. You can add simple text prompts. You can enter in general ideas for a video, and it's more of a detailed script, and then you will have that to be able to generate your AI clips. So let's take a look at tool number 5, which is InVideo. So this is an AI video creation tool. This AI tool I absolutely love. It is a game changer for video creation. So whether you have a full script or even just a rough idea of what you want, InVideo brings your concepts to life. The process is simple, yet it's very powerful. You simply input your text and then the AI creates a comprehensive marketing video. This tool is perfect for businesses looking to make a splash with video content without investing in expensive production. If you'd like an in-depth look at InVideo, check out our video we did. We took a deep dive into how to use InVideo, and we'll include the link on the video description below. So let's move on to our next tool, which is tool number 6, and that is your custom GPT AI. And this is customized chatbot creation. So chatbots are essential, but if you could create one that truly reflects your brand's voice, how impactful would that be? That's what custom GPT does. It allows you to build a chatbot that's very efficient for you and specific to your business. This means it has those interactions that are impactful. It also saves you the overhead of a large support team. And finally, our favorite marketing tool, something that we are very familiar with, tool number 7, ChatGPT. Now, this tool is your secret weapon for content creation. It's versatile and efficient, and it's very effective for crafting compelling marketing content. From creating engaging media posts to creating video scripts, ChatGPT acts basically like a writer on your team. It allows you to create content easily. Now, if you want to learn how to use ChatGPT, you can hop over to the AI Mastery Center. We have a comprehensive course that takes you from the very beginning all the way through prompting, how to use it in your business, marketing, every single aspect of using ChatGPT. You will absolutely love it, and you can find that at AIMasteryCenter.com. And there you have it, 7 transformative AI marketing tools right at your fingertips. These tools are not just about automation. They're about enhancing creativity, efficiency, and engagement. Embrace these innovations and watch as they elevate your marketing strategy. So thank you for joining us on this exciting journey in the future of marketing, and it really is the future. Stay ahead of the world of AI and marketing by following and subscribing to our YouTube channel at AI Mastery Center or at Edu Marketing Media. And if you need help with videos, podcasts, books, or publications, you can contact us at edumarketing.com. And if you're keen on learning AI for your business, enroll in our AI Mastery course at AIMasteryCenter.com. Hey, we're here to help you be successful. So be sure to check out our AI directory at AIBeehive.com. There you will find a variety of tools to help you navigate all this exciting world with AI. Hey, this is Ginger. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and always pass on what you have learned.